guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma and I create art videos. Today's video is going to be how I set up my OBS and how I use it to stream art and games. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a scene. Clicked on the plus, created starting soon, add a source. I'm going to add an image because my background is an image and we'll call it background. Okay, and then it asks you where to upload the image from. So we're going to get it from my Twitch folder. So this is the one that I'm using. And okay, then I want to add my moving hearts. So we're going to add an image. Doesn't really matter what it's called, I suppose, because we're going to add a few. So I go art, and then, alright, cool. So I'll add that one, add another one, and we'll move that one so that it lines up. So you can copy and paste duplicate as well. It's another way of doing it. Another image that I wanted to use, and that is this one. It's not going to work. It's supposed to move. It's alright, we'll figure that bit out later. So there's our starting intro bit. We'll rename that to our intro song. And if you double click on it, it brings up the options. So we're just going to choose a different one. So my intro song, here we go, intro. So you can set, so that's a song, and you can set it to loop or restart playback when the source becomes active. Now that song will play. You can't hear it through here, but the song, you can see it is definitely playing. I'm going to turn it down a bit so that it's not blowing everybody's speakers. On this screen, you can see that the desktop audio is muted and the microphone is muted. So on the next one, the next scene will be gaming. Okay. So see how it's got no sources now. If you go back to this one, all your sources are there. Go back here, no sources. So the first thing I want to do is add a window capture. And that captures whatever is on the window. You can set that to whatever you currently have open. I do use that sometimes, but not a lot. When you're not using something, you can click the little eye and it will make it invisible, which is handy. The other one is a display capture, which is what I prefer to use. So now you can see everything that I have open and currently recording the voiceover. The next thing that we want is my webcam. So that is a video capture device. And we'll put webcam. Okay, that brings up all the options. So you can see I've got my webcam, my EOS, which I've used before, and the virtual camera. I'm not sure how that works, but there's the webcam. Hello. So we'll put that in. You can change bits and pieces, but I don't really know a lot about it, so I'm not going to play with it. So then you move it wherever you want it to go. You can change the size of it and whatnot, so I'll leave that there for a second. The next thing I'm going to do is add my overlay. So I'm still not 100% happy with this one. I want to make one that I'm really proud of, but this is what I'm using at the moment. So I've done a few in the past, as you can see, but this is the one I'm using now. So that has transparent backgrounds that just goes straight over the top. You can, see obviously it's over the top of the webcam, but you can make it whatever size you want it. And that is what I use for gaming. I also tend to have my little heart. It's got transparent background. I just stick it in the corner over here because I just like him. He's cute. He's a cutie. He just sits over there. Depending on what game it is, sometimes I hide it just by clicking the little ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. And then I have another one for end screen. I also have one for art, but it's very much the same as the gaming one. So for the end screen, I just again have the image. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time. That's what I have. And then we're going to add our music in as well. So that is the media source. And we'll use the intro song. It's also the outro song. And you can see there, that's how loud it is. So we've got our starting soon, which I'm going to add a graphics onto the top of, say, you know, starting soon. I just haven't, as you can see, that wasn't working for me. We've got our gaming screen and whatever you have. I usually have it all open on this window, on this screen. So everything will just pop up there if you're playing a game. I'll show you an example. Cool. So now you can see that that is the game. Obviously, if there are important sections in like one corner where your webcam is, you may need to change your position of the webcam or just change the screen so that it's not like the full screen. Depends what you're playing as to how you'll have to set it up, but that gives you a general idea of how it will look. So yes, if you have any questions or didn't understand anything that I was going through, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'll also give a huge shout out to my patrons. Thank you for your continued support. Justin, Ali Productions, Pat, Marco and Jeremy. Thank you. And if you want to check out my Twitch channel, the link is in the description below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye!